If you've got your microeconomics final exam coming up, this is how you find equilibrium when both the demand and supply curves shift. Currently, this market is operating right here. But let's imagine the problem that we have is saying, okay, well, demand actually increases. We'll call this D2 here. Currently, right now, equilibrium is going to be occurring right here. You can completely ignore the old D1 demand curve. And then next, let's say the problem says, okay, but supply decreases and now it occurs right here at S2. Same as last time, just completely ignore S1 now. Now the new equilibrium point occurs right here. So we'd say, all right, well, in this market, now equilibrium is occurring at Q2 at this equilibrium price of P2. When it used to occur at, well, Q1 we can call it, and P1. What really matters with problems like these is that you read through the problem and make sure you know what the new supply and or demand curves are. Completely ignore all the old ones and focus on the new ones when it comes to finding the new equilibrium point. And it's just kind of interesting to note here, both supply and demand are shifting here. Demand is increasing, supply is decreasing, but yeah, we're still able to rest at that same quantity as before. But remember, the old point doesn't really even matter because the problem is asking what the new equilibrium is, and to do that, all we gotta do is zone in on the new supply and demand curves. If you're just kind of screwed for this final exam coming up and need somebody to walk you through the class, I can in 2 hours. Check out my microeconomics cram kit on my website. I've basically packed in it everything that I'd tutor you on if I was your tutor the night before your test.